second part in a science chapter, function in a galaxy part 2. In a previous part we learned about different types of mathematical functions like sum, exponential values, factorial number, absolute values, logarithm values, etc. Now today we are learn about some statistical functions in a galaxy. Statistical functions, first is the average. The average function returns the average of number given it. It also considered as an arithmetic mean. You have summed up all the numbers in a list and divided the sum by the total count. The general form of function is average up to 30 arguments. For example, if you write is equal to average in a bracket 10, 7, 8, 6, 9, 5 in a cell. So when you calculate the average, first of all total all the values like 10 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus 5 and divide it with the numbers. Here we have 6 numbers, so divide with the 6. Total of that numbers is a 45 and divide with the 6 and the answer is 7.5. Now when we want this type of calculation in our CALC program, then we write a function and the function is equal to, in a capital letters average, write a average which is the function name, and in a bracket there is the value of the cells. Suppose here average, and we select from B1 cell to the G1 cell and the average answer, average of numbers is appear here. Second function is a mean function. The geomean function returns the geometric mean of the number given to it. The geomean of say n non-negative number is obtained by multiplying them all together and then taking the nth root. Basically, what is the geomean? Geomean is the nth root when you multiplication n numbers. For example, if you multiplication 3 number, you have given 3 positive numbers, then multiply with 3 numbers, all 3 numbers, and find the third root of that product of those 3 numbers. For example, if you write G is equal to geomean 10, 7, 8, 6, 5 in a spreadsheet itself, it will return 6.8. How to find 6.8? First of all, multiplication of this number 10, multiplication with 7, multiplication with 8, 6 or 5, then find its fifth root and the answer will given as a 6.8. It is called as a mean function and the formula of that function is equal to geomean, and in a bracket there is the value or cell address. Next is the median. The median is defined as the middle number of the group when they are ranked in a order. If you not find the exact 2 number, then take 2 median number and average them. The median function returns the median up to 30 arguments given to it. The general form is equal to median in a bracket 10, 7, 8, 6, 5 and return 6.5. Now, how to find median? First of all, given the formula is equal to median and the cell address or cell values. Now, in the median function, first of all, arrange the values in a ascending order or ranked in a order. So, first value is a 5, then 6, then 7, then 8 and then 10. Find 2 middle value. If you are unable to find 2 middle value, then take it 2 value as a middle. Suppose we take a 5 or 6 as a 6 or 7 as a middle value. Now 6 plus 7 is equal to 30 and divided with 2 and the answer is 6.5. But it is easy to find that mean, median, average value in a CALC with simple formulas without any calculation. Next is a mode. It returns the most common values in a data set from at most 30 arguments, which can be a single value or range of cells. For example, if you write mode function as a is equal to mode 10, 7, 8, 6, 6, 5, it will return 6. So basically what mode can do? It will return the value which is common from all the values. Here 6 is 2 times, so 6 is the common value from all the values, so it will return a 6. So it's the mode and the formula of the mode is equal to mode 10, 7, 8, 6, 6, 5. Now see here practically. First of all, there is a numbers given 10, 7, 6, 8, 6, 5 from cell B1 to G1. Now how to find the average? Then write here is equal to average. Choose the cell from B1 to G1 and the average result will appear here. Same for a mode function, write a mode and same cell range and the answer is given. Same for geomean and same for median. So there are the functions which are used for mode, median, average or geomean functions. Next is a count A. The count function returns the total number of cells or argument which have some values in it. You may give a 30 arguments separated with the semicolon sign. The empty cell, okay. First of all, it may give 30 arguments separated with the semicolon sign. So in which 30 items? Here only 30 values are used for any function. Only maximum 30 values are appear here. The empty cell will not be considered. The general form of the function is count A 10, 7, 8, 6, 5, 5. It will return 6. Why it will return 6? Because it count the cell address. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will return 6. Next is the largest value. The large function returns the kth largest value found in the given set of values x. The general form is equal to large x k, where x denotes the range of the cells containing some numeric values and k is the position. So it will find the largest value among other values and the equation is equal to large x or k, where x is the range of the cells and k is the position. For example, set of values as 10, 7, 6, 8 and 5. There are 5 values and find the largest among them with value 2 returns value 8. Why 8? Because we will give the position 2. Largest second position. First position is 10 and the second largest position is 8. So it will give the result 8. The 8 number is second largest value in a given set. Same for the smallest value. The large function returns kth largest value found in the given set of values, where same as the smallest value here is equal to small x or k. It will return. Here some mistake. Instead of large, we will write a small x or k. So it will give a small value among all the values. Next is the rank. The rank function returns the rank of given number in the given set of numbers. Suppose you will find first rank of all your students or all your class. So it will help you to find the rank of your. First of all, you need to provide a value for which you need to find a position, the set of values and order of sorting, 1 for ascending and 0 for descending. So let's see what is the general form for rank. The general form of rank is rank, number, set and order. Suppose you have to secure 67 marks in an examination. Your 5 friends secure marks such as 47, 56, 78, 59 and 66. So to find the rank to you, first of all let's see, use the rank function is equal to rank, write a rank which is the function name given in value. Your marks is, your number is a 67, then write here, then set. Set indicate the cell. So first is A1 to F1, which is the address of the all the values cell range. So we will write a cell range and then order, which is the ascending, 0 for descending and 1 for ascending. We will want to a descending order, then we will write here 0. So it will return the position 2 as shown in the figure. By 67. Okay. First of all, let's see first of all in example. Here, see. 67, 47, 56, 78, 59, 66. We will write a 67. Cell the range B1 from G1 and starting from 0. First number, highest number is a 78 and the second highest number is 67. So our rank is a 2. Next is a maximum. The maximum function can take up to 30 arguments and simply returns the maximum number within the arguments. The general form is max x1, x2 up to 30 arguments. An example function is equal to max. Write the values. It will return 78 as shown in the figure. Okay, it will find the highest number from all the values. See, there is a 78 is the same for the minimum. The minimum function can take up to 30 arguments and simply returns the minimum number within the argument. The general form is minimum x1, x2 up to 30 arguments. An example function is equal to minimum 67, 47, 56, 78, 59, 66. So it will return 47 because we write here is equal to minimum. If we instead of minimum we write a maximum, then it will give a 78. So same as a example, max B1 to G1, which indicate the cell address. So highest number is 78, so it will display on our value, and same for minimum. Next, after a statistical operators, there are some relational operators. We are familiar about the type of operators. Such operators are known as a relational operators. Relational operator first is equal and the symbol is equal. Description: both the operators are, say A1 and A2 are equal. Example: if A1 or A2 is equal, A1 is equal to A2 or A1 A2 not equal. Less than sign, you only remember the sign of that number. Greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or different from. Okay, now what is the different from? Both the operands are not equal. The first operand is not equal to the second one. Example is equal to if A1 different from A2, A1 is different from than A2, and A1 is not different than A2. Now logical operators. True. This function returns the logical value true. The general form of this function is true. False. This function returns the logical value false. The general form of this function is false. Next, not. The general form of not is not. Expression resulting in a logical value. Not neglect the logical values. So false becomes true and true becomes false. In a not, there is a false becomes true and true becomes false. Is equal to not. 6 is different from 6. It returns true because we write here not. If we write only is equal to 6 different from 6, then it will return false. But here we write a not. So it against or opposite value is equal to not. 1 equals to 1. It will return false. We know that 1 is equal to 1. It's true. But here we write is equal to not. So it returns false. Example of true, false and not. Only true, it will return true value. False, it will return false value. Not true, then it will return false. Not false, it will return true. Not 6 different 6, then it's true. Not 1 equal to 1, then